How much did I make on Teachers Pay Teachers in the month of September? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel from the Behavior Check-In. I'm a K-12 behavior specialist. I have just started documenting how I'm doing with my sales on Teachers Pay Teachers. I am not a major seller. I am a small seller, so this is more like what it would realistically look like if you started a Teachers Pay Teachers business. And if you want to know more about my journey, I have some other videos that I have linked that you can watch in the series about Teachers Pay Teachers. But in this video, we are talking all about how much I made in the month of September. So I had some big goals for the month of September. I really wanted to try to make $2,000. And did I make it? No, I didn't, but I am still really happy with the progress that I had. I also had the goals that I was going to post 4 different products, and I did meet that. Now, they were only 1 new product, and then it was 3 bundles, but I still did do that. I had kind of a busy September with a lot going on at work, so I didn't get as much done as I would have liked, but I did still get my four products up. I also held a sale at the end of the month to see if that would boost any last minute sales. I really didn't see a huge return on that. I did a spooky behavior bundle sale where I sold all of my behavior bundles for 20% off, and I really didn't see a huge return on that. So I don't know if that was something that was really worth my time, and that's something that I will do in the future. But overall, like I said, I'm pretty happy with my sales. Would I have liked to have made $2,000? Absolutely, but I didn't, and that's okay. Drum roll, please. This is how much I made in the month of September. I made just over $1,000. My take-home pay was $855.54. So that is after Teachers Pay Teachers takes their cut, taxes, all of that. That's what I will be getting paid on the 10th. I would have liked, like I said, to have made more than that, but that's still huge. Like, that is $855 that I didn't have before and was pretty much passive income. Because like I said, I really didn't make a whole lot of new products this month. I really didn't do a lot of promotion for my products on social media or anything. I really was just busy. So that was really passive income. So just getting that kind of money for something that I didn't have to put a lot of effort in is huge. My goals for next month, I would really, once again, I'm going to aim for that 2,000 again. I plan to release 4 products again, and this time I want it to be 4 separate products, and then if I add any bundles, then that'll be like completely different. But I would like to add 4 new products. Now, I know that new products, when I put them up there, they don't typically give me like instant sales. It takes a while. They have to rank and search and all of that stuff. And also, the vast majority of my sales, when I looked at my analytics, look like they actually come from Teachers Pay Teachers themselves, their search engine, their platform. So I'm not getting a lot of extra outside sales, it looks like, from what I'm promoting on social media. It's just more what they're finding in search. So that tells me that probably my bigger sales, like my biggest product sales next month, are most likely going to be products that are my tried and trues, like my behavior trackers, my graphs, my bundles. Those are the things that I typically bring in consistent money with. A product that is starting to take off that I'm super excited about is my PDA toolkit, and one of the things I did this month was I did bundle that with a contingency map product that was a new product that I made. I put those 2 together because I felt like they went together, and I have some different products that I'm working on and I'm thinking of. I'm planning on doing some more graphs and spreadsheets to help teachers with their organization, and I have some ideas for some different social skills activities, and I'm also working on some things for some transitional skills as well for students who are preparing for the workforce, and some things that they can do for writing resumes and that sort of thing. So those are the products that I have in my head for next month that I'm hoping to promote. So overall, really, how much time did I put into it? If I had to sit down and think about the hours that I put in for my products this month, I would say maybe 10 hours total is what I put in, because I didn't do a whole lot of new product creation and I didn't do a whole lot of promotion this month. I would like to do more promotion this month. I think it's going to be really important in the month of October because it's not necessarily back to school season. So I think I'm going to have to promote that out on social media. In terms of where I do get the most pull from when I do my social media promotion, it does seem to be from TikTok. That is where I get the most when I look at my analytics. But Instagram's pretty steady as well as YouTube. So if you are someone who watches this and you have supported me and my Teachers Pay Teacher store, I really do appreciate it. That means so much to me, and I do really appreciate your support. If there's certain products that you are curious about and you would like me to go more in depth in, please let me know down below in the comments. Like I said, my biggest products that I do are social skills and their graphs and trackers. And if there's anything that like you are particularly interested in that you think would really help you, and you would like to see me make that product, let me know below. If there's anything you have questions on in terms of starting my store, let me know, and I would love to do a video on it as well. That is something you're interested in. But once again, I am super happy with how I did. I mean, I can't even imagine, like a year ago, I was not in this place. I brought in not even half of that last year in sales. So to be bringing in close to $1,000 in take home is a really big deal, and I'm super excited about that. So anyway, I hope to report next month in October that it is even better, but if not, that's fine too. The thing about Teachers Pay Teachers is it definitely ebbs and flows in terms of sales, and you can't get too like fixated that you're going to have the same kinds of months, but for passive extra income, you really can't beat that. So thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching my video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it to anybody else you think that could benefit from this. Let me know if you're a Teachers Pay Teachers creator below, if you sell anything, what your niche is, that sort of thing. We can be talking about it, sharing some ideas. If you're interested and would love, we could go live and talk about this. Maybe go live on like YouTube or Instagram, wherever, and talk about our Teachers Pay Teachers journey, and I can answer your questions in real time if that is something you're interested in. Once again, thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I will catch you in the next one.